Welcome back for the final exercise for now from me. Remember, the key to this is picking and choosing what works for you when, and there's a lot going on. This is called Look Up and Let's Go. So, find a space that you're comfortable to write in. I'm hoping you're kind of already in one. If not, move now. Find a place that you feel at ease and that's comfortable to write in, because you're going to use this space to help develop the writing and the exercise. Look up from this video, look around you. What grabs your attention? Doesn't matter what it is at this point, just what grabs your attention. It can be a simple object or something more like obviously interesting, like, you know, if an animal has just walked into your house, like a cat. Gonna have to go with cat as always. List whatever you can see that's grabbed your attention, just list them. Keep going as many objects, things as you can. And then I want you to try looking back at this list of objects and kind of have a play with describing them in one line. But the idea with this is that you don't just write like the basics, so a fan heater turned on. I want you to play around with maybe how you might write this a little differently. And I mean, creative is a very generic word to use, but you know what we're all about here, humanising it. Maybe is it leaning a certain way? Does it look a certain way? Does it feel a certain way? Loads of examples are going to be coming up, but I will give you a quick kind of my version at the end. I want you to create loads of lines about these objects and how you might describe them in a different, unique way than just, this is a guitar, or it is a phone on the floor. Play around with ways that you might kind of describe them in a new way. And then, the final bit, the fun bit, lay them all out on the page, or however you've used to write, and just try reordering them into one thing. Poem, story again, just line by line, play around with the order. Random sometimes, it's a bit of a weird word, but it can be fun to just not overthink it at the start, see what might work. I just come up with one literally just while doing this, see what you think. I looked up, hence the name of the title of the exercise. The fan heater leaning over like it's about to pass out. A water bottle stood straight as a ruler. One plate, 100 chattering crumbs. My trainers unable to look each other in the shoelace. The TV just blinked. So just play with lines, play with ideas, have fun with it. Let's end it there. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.